There are so many items to sell on the Amazon platform, especially in 2019 and going into 2020. But what 3 items should you avoid when looking for products to potentially sell? Let's go. What's up, Prestige fam? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you guys are new to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube channel, welcome to the channel. My name is Andy. I put out Amazon FBA YouTube content twice a week, so stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe. I hope you guys find these videos helpful. And if you guys haven't already gotten the 2019 Prestige Amazon FBA cheat sheet, please be sure to go do so down below. If you haven't already followed me on Instagram or Facebook or found the Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind group, find that all down below in the description below. But I don't want to waste any more of your time. I want to get right into it. So the Amazon FBA or Amazon Marketplace has about 11 marketplaces across the entire world. That is crazy. And within those marketplaces, there are about 3 billion products being sold across all of these marketplaces. The US marketplace being the largest, and the US marketplace having about 600 million products on the Amazon Marketplace, on the US Marketplace alone. And that is just in 2018. But what top products, in my opinion, should you definitely avoid? And these are products that I come across, especially for my students or people just asking me, is this a good product to sell? Apparently, this comes across so often, and I see a lot of people falling into this pithole, and I know a handful of people that actually have tried to get into these products. So these are the top 3 products that I think you should avoid. Let's go. The number 1 product to avoid, in my opinion, is the garlic press. If you guys have been doing your product research, if you guys have been doing research on Amazon FBA on YouTube especially, you would have guaranteed to have came across this product, just because every single YouTuber that I've seen has used garlic press as an example for their YouTube videos when they're doing, their back-end research or product research, just using garlic press as an example. You guys, again, there's a reason why they're using this as an example, because there's no way that they will ever sell a garlic press. There's so many reasons why as to why this is. Of course, garlic press is a hot selling item. It's one of those items that is easy to produce, probably pretty cheap to produce, and can give you like a somewhat high profit margin, maybe back then, but not so anymore. If you go ahead and search garlic press nowadays, you can see the top competitors having thousands and thousands of reviews. And the thing with garlic presses is that it's so very hard to differentiate. There's only so many things you can add to a garlic press that would make people want to buy yours over somebody else's. So there's only so many ways you can differentiate. It's super competitive, everybody's listings look the same, and in the end it just becomes a huge price war that you definitely don't want to get into. So garlic press, definitely do not get into it. Number 2 is the notorious jade roller. If you are a girl out there, or if you're into beauty, you would have known how hyped the jade roller has become. I also know a handful of people who tried to get into the jade rolling niche, and it just became saturated too quickly. PPC costs, if you guys don't know what PPC is, it's pay per click. It's Amazon's Amazon FBA sponsored products, their way of advertising their products. PPC just for certain keywords just became too expensive, so expensive because everybody was trying to release jade rollers at the same time. It just became flooded with jade rollers. Now people have thousands and thousands of reviews, so it's just overly saturated, overly competitive. And if you're looking into jade rollers right now, I'm glad you're watching this video, because I really want you guys to steer away from jade rollers. So many people are selling it. I am not personally selling a jade roller. And again, there's only so many ways you can differentiate. You see a lot of people selling green jade rollers, pink jade rollers, and they're adding, I think, gua sha or something like that, add-ons. There's only so many things you can add on, so many things you can change about those jade rollers, and everybody's pretty much selling the same thing. And again, it just becomes another price war, and you do not want to get into an item that is coming down to a price war. And number 3, if you guys have been doing any of your product research, you guys have probably run into this item as a potential item as well. And to be honest, this is an item that I even tried to source with one of my friends when we were starting a new separate brand. Derek, if you're watching this is us. But we tried to source a felt letterboard. And if you don't know what a felt letterboard is, it is basically, you can go search it up on Amazon. I realized I still have the sample, so I decided to grab the sample to show you guys, but this is basically what a felt letterboard is. It's basically just a wooden frame board with, textured material, cloth material inside, and you can insert letters to spell out or name out whichever or whatever you guys want. But felt letterboards were super, it was a really great product to sell back then. We were looking at this maybe a year and a half ago. Numbers were pretty good. I think most profit margins were between 40 to 50%, depending on your quantity of purchase. But we ended up opting out of it because we realized, it was really hard to differentiate. It was really hard to stand out. A lot of people were also selling it. We were looking at other people getting into the same type of item, and we realized, it would become overly saturated. PPC would be really expensive, and we kind of backed out of it. But now, looking back into this niche about a year and a half later, a lot of people are still selling this product, and a lot of people still have, a lot of people have thousands of reviews already. So back then it was a really good product. A lot of people were still getting into it, and if you stumbled upon this product and you see, somebody with 15 reviews selling thousands and thousands of dollars in monthly revenue, try to not get into this product. Again, take everything that I say with a grain of salt. You can sell anything that I just recommended not to sell, but these are just my recommendations. These are just recommendations that I kind of tell my students to steer away from. So just to keep that in mind, no felt letterboards, no jade rollers, and no garlic presses for sure. But hopefully this video helped you guys out. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment. And again, if you guys haven't joined already the Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind group on Facebook, feel free to join that and ask any questions you guys may have there, or ask any questions you guys may have in the comments below. I'll definitely get to that. And again, I thank you guys as always for watching. If you guys stayed till the end, I did mention this in the beginning of this video, but if you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do, again, is comment down below, hashtag Prestige Amazon, Amazon FBA, and subscribe. But as always, I thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace.